Oh, okay.
I want to drive. You said you're gonna do a quick swing. I want to do a quick swing, and then I'm gonna do this shit.
Okay.
Oh.
That helps, that's right.
I was trying to avoid you.
Trying to make this dangerous.
That's what makes the ride so fun. Oh, whoa!
We got this.
Buttery.
Oh, shouldn't have went for that one. Good.
Tight, too much? Ooh.
I have all the confidence in the world that I can do this in the Tesseract now.
I want to bring the Tron bike here.
You did. Oh, it is insane. Totally true dudes.
Oh! Oh shit, back. You make the turnaround already?
Yeah.
Is it turnaround?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for you guys.
Oh, we're right there.
I only get up to 200 miles an hour.
Same.
You really want to make this feel fast? Ramp your FOV all the way up.
Mine's just a 90. Oh, he's
Oh,
out.
so-
Go. Oh, like one
So you
plane?
go, yeah.
Nah. That's too wide.
You're really gonna feel like you're flying.
I was just trying to do a fancy 360.
Yeah.
I top out at 200.
I keep it like 180. Oh, that transition. So take these cool. Whoa! Bro, you took someone out on my screen.
I just got really close to it.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Like, they went right back, but like, it was insane.
And that's funny because nobody moved on my screen.
Cause my computer was like, wait, I'm the middle check.
You're like, oh, you just made more. I'm like, I'm right behind you guys. No one's flying anywhere.
This nigga left. He really gotta take a shit.
We're getting rid of one.
Ooh, that was a beautiful white line right there.
Going for it. No! I've been trying to shoot for full left side to right side and zip back zigzag.
Oh,
It's hard.
yeah, it is.